Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to hide and show toolbar on WIX. Here on the WIX editor, the first one to show the toolbar, you can just click right here on Tools at the top right of your screen. Then you want to check mark this toolbar choice, and there you go. Right now, the toolbar is up here. At the toolbar, you can do a copy, paste, duplicate, delete, and also arrange any element. So if you want to make a specific element be on top or at the bottom of the other elements, you can just do it. You can also rotate the elements and adjust the size and the position of this specific element. Additionally, you can make sure if that element is showing on all pages. You can also click on the layers to see the layers on the specific page. To hide the toolbar, you can just click again on Tools and then uncheck the toolbar choice. And that's how to hide and show the toolbar on WIX. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing.